I'm Deb Smith with the Shamrock Companies, and today I'm going to talk about the difference between a vector and a raster art file. So chances are, if you deal with designers, printers, advertisers, or other industry-specific individuals, you've probably been asked to provide a vector file. But what does that mean, and why is the JPEG that you provide not acceptable? Well, let's start with what a vector file is. Vector files are constructed using mathematical formulas to create lines, shapes, and colors that make up an image. Because of these formulas, the resulting graphic can be resized without compromising the resolution of the final image. This means that whether you're using the file on your business card at a small size or on a billboard at a very large size, the vector file will work for both and never lose its resolution or quality. Vector files will always have a file extension of AI, EPS, PDF, or SVG. But don't be fooled by the file extension. There are occasions where raster images are saved under these file formats as well. Now, in contrast, a raster image uses a fixed number of pixels, which are essentially small squares of color, to make up an image. The number of pixels determines your resolution. The more pixels, or dots per inch, the higher the resolution and the larger you can use the image. For print use, it's recommended that you use 300 dpi, or dots per inch, in order to ensure that your image stays crisp and not blurry. JPEGs, GIFs, PNGs, and TIFFs are always raster files, and as mentioned before, there may be occasion where they're saved under the same file extension as a vector file. So now that I've explained the difference, let's look at an example. I have two logos. One is a vector file and one is a 300 dpi raster file. When viewed at 100% of their size, these two files look the same. However, if I need to enlarge this logo, you can clearly see a difference. The vector image will stay clean and crisp, whereas the raster image will start to pixelate. What do I mean by pixelate? Well, put simply, it means that we are enlarging to the point where the pixels that make up the image are no longer small dots of color, but now clearly visible as large blocks of color that make your image look blurry and jagged, also referred to as low resolution. In the world of print and graphic design, vector is always the preferred format. Vector files can easily be saved as raster images, but raster files cannot be resaved as vector. I hope you found this video helpful, and please remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on all things marketing. Thanks!